welcome back to my channel. My name is Temitope and this is T Plus Kitchen. If you are new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Today I'm not cooking, but I like to appreciate everyone for the last video, the video I made about the cooking challenge by Sisi Yemmie, which is cooking with 1-5 for the family of 5. That video has really done amazing and has grown my channel amazingly very well, because the video has gotten up to about 800 views already and I've got new subscribers. In the last few days I've got about 10 to 20 subscribers. I know it's very small, but we should always humble our small beginnings. Its channel is still very new, but I'm very grateful to everyone. Thank you for the show of love. Thank you for everyone that has watched that video. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed to the channel. Thank you to Sisi Yemmie for challenging us. This challenge has brought so much joy to me and has brought so much traffic to my channel. Thank you once again, Sisi Yemmie. I really appreciate you, and if you don't know, you are one of my role models. I really appreciate you and I love you. Thank you once again. And I like to do a little get to know me with this video. Okay, so once again, I said my name is Temitope Oluwafemi and I'm T Plus Kitchen. I video about cooking tips, food recipes, and anything that has to do with food. I'm married. I have 2 kids, 2 boys that do well, and I cook from Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Please share my videos with your family and friends. Tell them about T Plus Kitchen. T Plus Kitchen is just basically about food. I love to eat. I love food. And if you love to eat, you also want to cook, because there's no way you will eat food without cooking, except you have to buy. And I'm not someone that likes to go and buy food outside my house. I like to cook the food myself because I like to watch my hygiene. I also like to watch my weight, so I cook with my food directly from my house. You will never see me buy food outside my house except on rare occasions. So cooking is one of the things that I like to do, and also eating. So if you love to eat like me, if you love food like me, leave a comment in the comment section below, and let's cook together. Let's have some fun together while making some cooking videos. Thank you once again, guys, for this opportunity. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the subscribers. So if you're also new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, share this video with your family and friends, and I'll be grateful if you do that. Thank you once again, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.